Hi guys and welcome on GSM-ABC YouTube channel. In this video I will show you how to do good subtitles for YouTube video. So for that just go to languages and here tap on refresh. Now tap on the edit button and here go to automatic subtitles and tap on duplicate and edit. And here are my subtitles. Okay. So now just select all the subtitles and tap copy and go to ChatGPT. And here just type, please correct these subtitles for YouTube. And insert your subtitles and now just tap enter and here are my corrected subtitles. And now I will type also please keep the original text. And enter again. And here are my subtitles with original text and corrected. Now just select all and copy. Now go to the YouTube video and here just select all and insert the new subtitles. Okay, correct when is needed and now just tap play and verify if everything is okay. And it seems that everything is okay and now I will tap on publish. And I will go again to edit. Automatic subtitles can be deleted. Okay. And now let's go to manual subtitles, edit. And here are my new subtitles. And you can edit as text. And everything is okay. You can exit and exit again. So this was my video for today. I hope to be useful for you. Please let me in the comment area what do you think and see you to the next. Have a nice day.